graph the function y equals 2 sine pi over 2x using key points. Note that for the regular sine function, when we have y equals sine x, we know the graph of y equals sine x, and this is 0. The period is 2 pi, so 0 through 2 pi, and this is midpoint pi, and midpoint again of 0 and pi, that's pi over 2, and midpoint of this, that's 3 pi over 2, and pi over 2 it goes up to 1, pi 3 pi over 2 it goes down to -1 and 0. So 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi are the 5 x coordinates, and their y coordinates are 0 for pi over 2 is 1, 0 for this -1, and for this 0. But our function here is now y equals 2 sine pi over 2x. So we need to find the amplitude first. Amplitude, that's the absolute value of a is 2, so absolute value of 2 is also 2. And next we find the period, just to find one cycle for the function. 2 pi over omega. Omega means the coefficient of x, which is pi over 2 here. Pi over 2. This 2 goes to the top. Pi and pi cancel. So 2 times 2, 4. That means we have to divide, because the period is 4, means 0 through 4 into 4 equal parts. So we first find the midpoint, which is 2. Now midpoint of 0 and 2, which is 1. Midpoint of 2 and 4, which is 3. Okay. Now we need to find the corresponding y coordinates for these 4 x coordinates, and we call them as key points. Okay. Key points are 0, comma, the corresponding y coordinate. And how do we find the corresponding y coordinates? Look at here. The y coordinates for regular sine x. For 0, that's 0. For pi over 2, that's 1. For pi, the y coordinate is 0. For 3 pi over 2, -1. 2 pi over 2, 0. We multiply these y coordinates by amplitude. For our function, we multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 to find the corresponding y coordinates for these x coordinates. So 2 times 0 is 0. Okay, so 0, 0 is first point. Now 1, comma, to find the corresponding y coordinate, we look at 1 and we multiply by amplitude. 2 times 1, 2. Okay, pretty much this goes up to 1 up and 1 down. We have 2 in the front, so it goes up to 2 and goes down to -2. So basically we multiply this by 2. And third, 0, 0, 1, 2. So 1, 2, somewhere here. Now 2, multiply 0 by 2, 0. 2, 0 here. And now 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now 3. For 3, that's the second last, so we multiply -1 by 2, so -2. Okay, that's the -1, -2 here. So the graph will be up to -2 down here. And for 4, 2 times 0 is 0. 0. So at 4, 0. Now we graph a shape like this, regular sine function like so. Okay, I think you can do better than this. Okay, it should be just one. Okay, not a couple of curves like I did. It should be just one curve. And look at this. 2 means it goes up to 2 and it goes down up to -2, and the period is 4. Final.